Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your maths lecture video. Today we will learn how to solve exercise 1D at page 20. So the question is, find the rule and find the next two terms in the given pattern. Okay, here it is written 4, 6, 8 and 10. So you can see that there is gap of 2. It means 2 is added in it. So what will we get after 10? Add 2 in it, we get 12. Then again add 2 in this, we get 14. So try to understand the pattern which is followed in the given values. So our solution is 12 and 14. And what rule is applied here? That we add 2 in the values. Now see part B, 6, 12, 15. So you can see that this is 6, 9, 12 and 15. So here we can see that gap is of 3. So we will add 3 for next term. So we get 18 and 21. So our rule is add 3. Now in part C, we can see this is 25, 20, 15 and 10. So 5 is reduced in each value. So the rule is subtract 5. So we will subtract 5 from 10. So we get 5. Then again we will subtract 5 from 5, we will get 0. I hope you understand all these three parts. Now this is question 2, find the rule and write the missing number. In part A, we see that this is 16, 21, 26, so there is a gap of 5. So it means the rule is add 5. So add 5 in 26, we will get 31. Then again if we add 5 in 31, we will get 36, which is already given. So again add 5 in 36, we will get 41. So the rule is add 5 and this is your pattern. In part B, we get 4, 8, 16, 20, 28. So here we can feel that gap is of 4. So if we add 4 in 8, we will get 12. If we add 4 in 12, we get 16. Which is already given. If we add 4 in 16, we will get 20. Similarly, you will add 4 in 20, then you get 24. So it means that the rule is add 4. In part C, we are given 50, 45, 35, 30. Means that 5 is reduced in each value. So we will subtract 5. So subtract 5 from 50, we get 45. It means it is 55. If we subtract 5 from 55, we get 50. So the first value will be 55. Similarly, if we subtract 5 from 45, we will get 40. So the rule is subtract 5. So you have to solve 3 parts of question A and 3 parts of question 2 of exercise 1D on book. Now move to exercise 1E, write first 6 number of pattern. Okay, add 7, start with 33. Okay, now we will start from 33 and add 7 in it, we will get 40. Again add 7, we get 47. So we will keep doing it. They asked to write first 6 number. So we will stop when we get the 6 numbers. Question 2 is subtract 10, start with 90. We will start with 90 and keep subtracting 10 from each value until we get the 6 values. Okay. The question 3 is multiply by 10 and start with 7. So we start 7. So 7 tens are 70. 70 tens are 700. 700 tens are 7000. So we will keep multiplying the values with 10 until we get the 6 values. Now next is divide by 2, start with 96. Now the first value is 96, we will divide it by 2, or you can say that you can take it half. Half of 96 is 48, half of 48 is 24, half of 24 is 12, half of 12 is 6 and half of 6 is 3. Next is add 15, start with 20. Now first value is 20 and add 15, you get 35, then add 15, you get 50. And keep adding until you get the 6 values. So you will solve exercise 1E on your books. Next moves to exercise 1F, complete the pattern 39, 43 and also identify increasing or decreasing pattern. Okay, as you can see 39 and 43. If we add 4 in 39, we will get 43. So we will add 4 in 43, we will get 47. Again 51 is given, so add 4 in 51, we will get 55. So the rule is to add 4. So this is the increasing number pattern. Now see question 2, 32 16. Okay, so half of 32 is 16. So we will take half of 16, divide it by 2. Okay, so 16 divided by 2, we get 8. Now if we take half of 8, it is 4. Half of 4 is 2 and half of 2 is 1. So this is a decreasing number as we are subtracting the numbers. In similar way, you can solve the rest of the question and write increasing or decreasing number. So solve exercise 1F on your book. So take care. Allah Hafiz.